We're going over the Great South Bay to an island called Fire Island, to Smith Point Park, an RV campground. Okay, we've arrived at the holding area where everyone goes and checks in. We're in our spot. Bella Dog is waiting patiently for her bed to be set up. And look at our sunset view out here. This is just amazing. Really pretty. Down below us is the tent section. And this place is lined up with RVs. Full. Absolutely full.
Keep it steady. Wind's always an issue when you're camping at the beach. It's just after 6 a.m. on Wednesday morning, our first full day here. It's 10 after 9 on Wednesday morning.
Okay, day one at the ocean. We're in Suffolk County at Smith Point Park, RV campground, and we just set up for our first day at the beach. This is a dog-friendly beach. We're just outside the campgrounds. Pretty good waves today. Down there is the public beach where there are lifeguards if we wanted to go. Beautiful stretch of natural beach, just the way I like it. Here's our beach camping setup. We got the beach comber wagon, a new umbrella, a couple of new chairs. Bella's got a place in the shade. Hey Bella, you got a place in the shade? We got an unexpected visitor from our neighbor down the beach. Just found a nice shady spot to lay down. Bella doesn't seem bothered by it at all. Tonight we're having Italian. We got pasta, tomato basil sauce, and some sweet Italian sausages on the Weber electric grill. Whenever we have an electric hookup, I break out the electric gear. That's my double hot plate. Everybody's having a good time. It was a perfect beach day today. Bella's still a little bit afraid of the waves, but she loves the water. Aren't these dunes beautiful? Pan around this way. Now off in the distance, I may take a walk down there later, but there are two Ranger trucks, and just beyond that is the outer beach camping area. You can drive your truck right out onto the beach with a road that's right there. And you go out and camp on the beach. I think it's the Atlantic Ocean in August. Beautiful. I heard some reports of some sharks out there. Now this beach is a no swimming beach, and they put signs up, swim at your own risk, that kind of thing. No lifeguards. Not much in the way of rules, other than watching out for the piping plover who live in these dunes. The Heroes, hamburgers, french fries, and sodas, anything you need, ice. Doesn't open till 3 o'clock. Maybe we'll come back, get a snack. And this is the outer beach access road. That's what takes you out to outer beach camping. It's just... Stop. Ew, what are you... It's like a seafood buffet. Disgusting. Here's where we are. This is the second boardwalk entrance to the beach. Gene. Is it good? Today is Saturday. We're at Smith Point Park out in Suffolk County, New York. It's a perfect beach day. We're heading back to camp to get cleaned up and get some food. Saturday. This is the road to the outer beach camping. You go that way to the beach. Here come a bunch of trucks coming off. You enter that way, there's an air inflator and a supply shop. You can pick up what you need. How are you, beautiful? Thank you so much for letting us stay in your campground. So perfect here. How are you feeling, huh? I don't see anything on you. You look healthy. You're so beautiful.
That's a big
Yeah. Okay, we took a walk down to the end of the campground. I believe this is a bird sanctuary, a bird viewing area. Some bird houses out there. It says cut 1A. I don't know what that means. Let's go take a walk down this way. What a beautiful morning on the beach. Day trip area begins. Michelob Ultra, good taste. And the outer beach camping, I believe, is down there. Lots of tracks in the sand. But there's the campground. The public beach is way down. And outer beach camping. We're gonna walk down the beach a little. Well, we've been walking down the beach. This is the 4x4 day use area that we've been walking through for the best part of half a mile or so. Walking down the beach, quite pleasant. It's not a bad morning, a little bit humid, a nice breeze, temperatures are rising. Now the outer beach camping isn't much farther down. Basically, you bring your 4x4, you pull up against the dunes, set up camp. Gotta have all the right equipment and permits. And you can camp on the sand, right on the Atlantic. Thank you for clicking on that button and spending some time with me today here in Suffolk County at Smith Point Campground and Beach. It's another beautiful day. We're walking down the shore, listening to the waves, soaking in the beauty and a little bit of natural vitamin D. I hope you're enjoying this content. If you do, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. This way back to the campground. Right over there. Got a little patio and a couple of benches. It'd be nice if there was a little bit of shade. Beautiful bird baths. A couple of benches over there on a patio. This is the back lower section of the RV park. Up there is the ocean front. That is an awesome E450 conversion. That's unreal. 4x4, all set up for surf casting. Okay, that's it for Site 38 at Smith Point.